You searched how to buy shares of SITE Centers Corp. SITE Centers is a U.S. shopping center owner and manager that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SITC. This video is educational only and is not financial advice. Investing involves risks. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search and enter the ticker SITC to locate SITE Centers Corp. Confirm the result matches the NASDAQ listing to ensure you open the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the company overview, sector, and the price chart to see recent activity. Double-check the listing and the SITC ticker to confirm this is the correct security. To invest, click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Review the order details and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request you add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Follow the example link in the description to open eToro if you want to review the platform interface.